Yesterday we had a series of storms and lightning and had to stop working finally. But that's how far we got. The first vent went in, and so the rest we're gonna continue putting back the other vent, and that would complete this wall, and then we start on the base. Okay, we're 90% done with the framing. This side is supported by this beam. We added this centerpiece that's going to get bolted into that. This beam was added on the side out of the way so we have access to the cavity, and it also supports the gas line. The back support beams don't change, and this part will be bolted to that. We already explained this part, supported by these two pieces, and this is the side vent that was added and finished finally after the storm yesterday, this morning. And this is gonna have an opening and a chimney effect to hopefully get the airflow going to where no heat is trapped. And also I'll add a opening on the board that's on the side of the vent, and same thing on the back of the hood. I'm gonna add a opening in the board to help this air circulation. Different material than wood will be used for the countertop, and the granite piece already dry fitted. It will fit and will work with the masonry. And last, I'm gonna add some metal work here to tie in the vents a little better. This wood is too far apart, and that's it. So after that, we're gonna put the skin. Before the skin, the only last piece I have is to take this out and build the inside of it. It'll be easier to do it outside and then remount it and secure it in place. Okay, we're connecting the electrical box, and it's a little hard because the box, everything is metal connectors and so on, and the wires, I don't have the liberty of extending out a whole bunch of wire, so it's a little constricted. But the most important part is this ground. It has to be perfect. So I finally got this ground wire flat. I'm in there, and I need to make sure the screw comes out the back completely, so I know the ground is holding tight. There's no guessing in here. Okay, so I have this much of the screw sticking out, and I have the two grounds together and my pigtail. So now I'm good to go for my new plug.
A few moments later.
Alright, now I'm gonna go hit the breaker and watch the fireworks. Okay, so the tester is in. I don't know if you see, there's two orange lights that indicates the ground is correct. So after some internet search, and everything looks like this is correct the way it's behaving. The outlet is getting the power first and then traveling to the GFCI, and that's why the GFCI, when it interrupts, it doesn't affect this. I guess if I wanted to, I would have to bring another wire to power this up, but we're not gonna go through all that. So basically my ground is correct, that's all I care about. And while looking at, I was testing the plug for the refrigerator, and turns out for the past 4 or 5 years, as we were running the refrigerator, this thing was running on an open ground. As you see, only one light is on, that means the ground is not connected. So I bought a new GFI plug, tested the new one, didn't make a difference for the refrigerator ground. I bought a new plug for here, thinking the plug was bad, that didn't make a difference. So I finally bypassed the green ground wire you see sticking out of the box, and I hooked up a different wire. Wire is a wire, and I bypassed the green here. I disconnected the green ground and connected the grounds together, and if you see on the tester, everything is testing normal. So the problem is the green, and the cost of $31, I have to put this wire in and remove the other refrigerator wire, and that should fix all the ground issues. Okay, new wire was installed, and that's the shortest one they had, 8 foot long, but the tester is testing correctly now, and we are good to go.